And what we're gonna do is we're gonna season this fairly heavy. So I like to pre-season a bit, because when you flip stuff, it loses a lot of the seasoning. So I go heavy, and then when we flip it, we lose it, and that way we still have some of that good old flavor.
Old Bay goes on everything.
Everything. As a matter of fact, it goes on, where were you just reading it from?
Burgers, chicken, seafood.
Fries, corn on the cob, and everything. Tossing wings, pasta, and popcorn.
What?
Them Old Bay chips are good, but they're salty as all get out.
Crab chips. If you've never had a crab chip, gotta have it. So I love this thing. This is my little juicer.
No, that's not what you call it. Tell everybody what you call it.
It's my vintage juicer.